it's been 5 weeks today of me having, you know, these beautiful faux goddess locks, you know. But yeah, so as I said in my previous video, the actual tutorial for the faux locks, which if you haven't watched, go look at it. As I said in that one, we bringing back edges in 2019. So with that being said, these gotta come out because I feel like my edges, they getting a little heavy now, and my hair has grown like a good bit. If y'all can see it, you know, they still look good, don't get me wrong, they still look really good. It's just that I don't want all that weight on it. I was gonna redo the edges, just redo my perimeter, keep them in a little bit longer, because it is really convenient not having to do my hair. But kind of miss my hair, kind of miss my bundles, so kind of torn between which one I'm gonna do. But I did want to show y'all how I take them out, because a lot of people don't know how to take them out all the time. So honestly, if you know where your hair ends, you know what I'm saying, we don't need to waste time doing all that other stuff, like keeping all that extra hair. So I mean, in reality, with, you know, with being braided and everything, my hair is really like up here, but just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna cut it right here. And you know what, I'll just do one and we'll go from there. Okay, so got your one dread, cut it halfway, boom, and just unravel it. So you unwrap this hair from around it. I'm hoping y'all can see this good because the light is kind of in my eye. Just unravel that, pull that piece through, so that's your braiding hair, and then just take this piece out. Here we go. Ooh. And you see that? Got to get that out of there, honey, okay? Definitely gonna be doing a deep condition and everything. Ooh. I typically do mine in quadrants, so I'm just gonna go chop each section and then do it in fourths. That way, get right on through it. We ain't gonna be here all day. I tend to pull apart the braiding in Marley hair or push it down. If you pay attention to this clip, you can see that I'm pulling the hair apart, then unraveling it. Just pull and unravel, pull, unravel. videos. Day 2.